Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Stereo width enhances separation and perception without increasing loudness. It moves elements across the panorama so the listener perceives depth and space. Be mindful that too much stereo spread causes phase cancellation and mono collapse, especially with summed playback or FM radio. Keep core elements like kick and vocal centered to preserve focus, and treat width as an arrangement decision rather than a mastering trick. Balance width with depth. Use panning, level, and contrast between dry and wet signals to make a clear, wide mix that translates. Start with panning plus slight level differences to place instruments without relying on effects. Hard panning guitars with opposite EQ shapes creates clarity. Apply stereo delay of 10-30 ms for a Haas effect, but always check phase in mono because delays can cancel. Use mid-side EQ to boost sides and tame mud around 200-500 Hz. And consider adding a stereo plate reverb with 2060 ms pre-delay on the sides only for space. Gentle chorus or stereo imaging plugins can widen, but limit extreme settings to avoid artifacts. Check mono compatibility regularly by summing to mono and listening for level drops or comb filtering. This reveals problematic phase issues. Keep centered elements within +/3 dB of their dry levels to maintain punch and clarity while you widen sides. Use a stereo bus with mild glue compression and subtle side EQ boosts to taste, and automate width across song sections so choruses feel larger than verses. Finally, test on small speakers and headphones to confirm the mix translates across systems before bouncing the final file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.